Come on, friends, let us subscribe. Subscribed? Thank you. Today we are going to revise questions which will come in coming online examination. Let us start. Question number 1. What is the name of the part marked as X in DC generator? Answer C. Commutator razor. Second, what is the name of DC generator? Answer A. Differential long shunt compound. Third, which rule is used to find the direction of induced EMF in DC generator? Answer D. Fleming's right hand rule. Fourth, which formula is used to calculate the generated EMF in DC generator? Answer C. Generated EMF equal to Zn divided by 60 into pi into P by A volt. Fifth, what is the formula to calculate back EMF of a DC motor? Answer C. EB equal to V minus IaRa volts. 6. What is the name of the part marked X in DC generator? Answer D. Pole shoe. 7. What is the name of the DC generator? Answer separately excited generator. 8. Which energy is converted into electrical energy by generator? Answer D. Mechanical energy. 9. What is the name of DC generator field? Answer D. Cumulative compound generator. 10. What is the principle of DC generator? Answer D. Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. 11. What is the formula for dynamically induced EMF? Answer C. BLV sin theta volts. 12. Which rule is used to find direction of magnetic field? Fleming's. Answer D. Fleming's right hand rule. 13. What is the name of the part of DC generator? Answer D. Yoke or frame. 14. How many parallel paths in duplex lap winding of a 4-pole DC generator? Answer C. 8. 15. Name the part of DC generator. Answer D. Armature core lamination. 16. How interpoles are connected in a DC generator? Answer A. In series with armature. 17. What is the necessity of residual magnetism in a self-excited DC generator? Answer A. Build up the voltage. 18. Which are the 2 points that the brush contact resistance measured in DC machines? 8. Answer C. Resistance between brush and commutator. 19. Which voltage drop is indicated in the portion marked as X? Answer armature C. Armature reaction drop. 20. What is the name of the compound generator if the shunt field is connected in parallel with armature? Answer short shunt compound. 21. Why the armature core of a DC generator is laminated? Answer D. To reduce the eddy current loss. 22. Why armature resistance of a DC generator is very low? Answer B. Reduce armature voltage drop. 23. Why the DC generator should run in clockwise direction only? Answer B. Protect the residual magnetism. 24. Why compensating winding is provided in large DC generators? Answer C. Neutralize armature reaction effect. 25. What is the reason for DC generator fails to build up voltage? Answer C. Field resistance is above critical resistance. 26. What is the name of generator if its field is connected in parallel with armature? Answer A. Shunt generator. 27. What is the purpose of pole shoe in DC generator? Answer D. Spread out flux uniformly in the air gap. 28. What is the function of split rings in DC generator? Answer B. Collects the current unidirectionally. 29. Which material is used to make brush in generator? Answer B. Carbon and graphite. 30. Why DC generators are losing their residual magnetism? Answer D. Change of direction of rotation very often. 31. How does the magnetic circuit complete through the yoke and poles in a generator? Answer B. Armature core. 32. Why the terminal voltage decreases if load increases in DC generator? Answer A. Because of armature reaction effect. 33. Which type of DC generator is used for long distance distribution lines? Answer D. Cumulative compound generator. 34. Which method is used to improve the insulation in DC generator? Answer D. Blowing hot air into the machine during maintenance. 35. Which type of DC generator works in absence of residual magnetism? Answer D. Separately excited generator. 36. Which type of DC generator is used for arc welding? Answer C. Differential compound generator. 37. What is the property of wave winding in DC generator? Answer C. Low current, high voltage. 38. What is the purpose of resistance wire used in the commutator connection in DC generator? Answer D. Smooth reversal of current direction. 39. Why solid poles shoes are used in DC generator? Answer D. To reduce the reluctance of magnetic path. 40. Which metal is used to make large capacity DC generator yoke? Answer D. Rolled steel. 41. What is the function of split rings in a DC generator? Answer B. Makes output in the unidirection. 42. Which type of voltage is induced dynamically in a DC generator? Answer C. alternating voltage. 43. What is the purpose of slot marked as X? Answer A. To fix the keyway. 44. What is the purpose of field coils in DC generator? Answer C. To magnetize the poles to produce coil flux. 45. Which metal is used to make pole core of large DC generator machines? Answer C. Cast steel. 46. Why the pole core stampings are laminated in DC generator? Answer D. To reduce the eddy current loss. 47. 47. Which type of DC generator is used for electroplating process? Answer A. Shunt generator. 48. What is the purpose of compensating winding in DC generator? Answer C. Neutralize the magnetizing effect. 49. What is the effect if the shunt field resistance is above critical resistance value in a DC generator? Answer C. Generator fails to build up voltage. 50. What is the effect of armature reaction in a DC generator? Output voltage decreases. 51. Calculate the EMF generated in a 4-pole DC generator with simplex wave wound armature has 1020 conductors and driven at a speed of 1500 rpm. Answer 357. 52. How the effect of armature reaction can be neutralized in large DC generators? Answer A. Using compensating winding. 53. What is the effect in DC generator if it is kept ideal for long time? Answer D. Loses its residual magnetism. 54. Calculate the induced EMF of 4-pole dynamo having 100 rpm lap wound and total number of conductors is 600. The flux per pole is 0.06 Weber. Answer 640 volt. 55. What is the effect on induced EMF if the main field flux get distorted in DC generator? Induced EMF decreases. 56. What is the cause for heavy sparking in brushes of DC generator? MNA and GNA position changed. 57. Which instrument is used to measure armature winding resistance? Answer D. Kelvin bridge. 58. Which instrument is used to test armature winding for short and open circuit? External growler. 59. What is the name of the speed control method of DC motor? Answer D. Armature diverter method. 60. Which winding wire is used for DC field coil? Answer A. Super enameled copper wire. For more videos, please share, like and subscribe. 1. Which formula is used to calculate the speed of DC motor? Answer A. N equal to EB by pi. 62. How many parallel paths in duplex lap winding in the armature of 4-pole DC motor? Answer A. 2. 63. Which rule determines the direction of rotation of armature in DC motor? Answer C. Fleming's left hand rule. 64. What is the name of DC motor? Answer A. DC shunt motor. 65. Which rule determines the direction of current in DC motor? Answer D. Fleming's right hand rule. 66. What is the formula to calculate the current taken by DC shunt armature? Answer C. Ia equal to V minus EB divided by RA. 67. Which rule is applied to identify the direction of flux in DC motor? Answer C. Fleming's left hand rule. 68. Name the type of DC motor. Answer D. Short shunt compound motor. 69. What is the formula to calculate back EMF in a DC motor? Answer C. EB equal to pi ZNP divided by 60A. 70. What is the name of the equipment? Answer D. External growler. 71. What is the name of winding if coil pitch is less than pole pitch? Answer D. Short corded winding. 72. What is the purpose of series resistor connected with holding coil in a DC 4-point starter? Answer A. Limit the current in holding coil. 73. Which speed control method of DC series motor is used for electric train A. Field diverter method. 74. Why shunt field coil is connected in series with holding coil in a DC 3-point starter? Answer D. To protect the motor in case of open in shunt field. 75. Why the direction of rotation is changed only by changing the armature current direction in a DC compound motor? Answer B. Maintain motor characteristics. 76. Which speed control methods offers below normal speed in DC shunt motor? Answer C. Armature control method. 77. Why starters are required to start DC motors in industries? Answer B. To reduce the armature current. 78. Which insulating material belongs to class B insulation? Answer C. Fiber glass. 79. What is the temperature value of class F insulation? Answer D. 155 degree centigrade. 80. Which type of DC motor is used for constant speed drives? Answer B. DC shunt motor. 81. Which type of DC motor is used in elevators? Answer D. DC cumulative compound motor. 82. Which method of speed control gives below the rated speed in DC series motor? Answer D. Armature diverter method. 83. What is the effect if a 4-point starter resistance is cut off during running? Answer B. Runs at slow speed. 84. Why carbon composition brush requires in the armature circuit to operate the DC motor? D. Reduces the spark in the commutator segment. 85. Why series motor produce high torque and speed initially without load? Answer A. Absence of back EMF. 86. Why the series field is short circuited at the time of starting in a differential compound motor? Answer D. To maintain proper direction of rotation. 87. Which is the most effective method of balancing armature? Answer B. Dynamic balancing. 88. Which material is used for starting resistance of DC starters? Answer A. Eureka. 89. Which DC compound motor is operated at constant speed under varying loads? Answer B. Cumulative long shunt. 90. How no volt coil is connected in a 3-point starter with DC shunt motor? Answer D. Connected in series with shunt field. 91. Which type of armature winding is illustrated? Answer A. Duplex lap winding. 92. Which Growler test for armature is illustrated? Answer A. Open coil test. 93. Which speed control method is applied to obtain both below normal and above normal speed in DC motor? Answer D. Ward-Leonard speed control. 94. Why commutators are sparking heavily? Answer A. Incorrect brush position. 95. What is the action of the induced EMF in a running DC motor? Answer B. Opposes the applied voltage. 96. Which motor has this characteristics curve? Answer C. Cumulative compound motor. 97. What is the purpose of resistor connected with holding coil in 4-point starter? Answer A. Limit current in NVC. 98. Why the DC series motor field winding is wound with thick wire? Answer to carry the load current. 99. Which type of speed control of DC series motor? Answer field parallel method. 100. Which type of DC motor is suitable for shearing machines? Answer C. Cumulative compound motor. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, friends.